This tutorial only demonstrates how to install ATR. The ATR is normally stored underneath the bench. Inside the sample compartment, constant dry air is purged into the compartment to keep the compartment dry. The port is at the back. You need to connect the ATR with this purge air. To install ATR, take ATR out of storage and push the blue tubing into the purge air port. Align the packs underneath the baseboard in the holes in the center of the compartment and expand the extension to seal the lead pack. The compartment cover should be covered during the test and after the operation. In order to do that, you need to lower the pressure rod to the lowest possible so that you can close the cover. To remove ATR, pull the extension back, lift the ATR, and unplug the air tubing. Put it in the storage and close the sample compartment cover. Other sample holders are stored in the small box next to the big box.